If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it, in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. They said that you loved me all along. Now I see you dancing with some other man. I wanna see where this goes. I need a light to see home, and I want you to know, sunshine, you are my sunshine. It's another one. I wanna wake up as more than just friends. Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. And I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around my way. And I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around so we can begin again. I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around my way. And I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around so we can begin again. Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it.
40 builders, we've done it. Been on it all day. Just taking my time, one thing at a time. Started with the exhaust, and I had to go in town and finish all that. So that was Thursday night, Friday night, and then Saturday today. Just slowly but surely put everything on, nice and carefully. Rocket covers, then the blower, then the ignition system, spark plugs. Once the blower and all the fuel systems and all the electrics were plugged in, then I went to the front pulleys. Got all the alternator, power steering, blower belts and all that back on. And then the last thing was the rad. And then just filled up the radiator with water, filled up the tranny, which is a bit tricky. It's way back there, but I've got a system for that with all these extra funnels into funnels into funnels. Got that done. Oil's in it, and she's a beauty. It's actually just, it took a couple of goes to get. Oh yes, the fans have just kicked in too. Let me check those fans while we're here. I'll make sure they're running the right way. I think one might be running backwards actually. Where's a piece of paper? Yeah, one's running backwards. Yeah, no good. Alright. I need to turn this one around. Interesting. Doesn't matter for now. Oil pressure 55. Temp 77 now. Fuel 77%. 12.6 volts. AFR 13 point something. It's chasing 13 on